Hello everyone, my name is Karanveer Singh. Guys, in this series, we are going to talk about Protector Cucumber along with TypeScript. We would also be building the complete framework and understand different aspects that are required to be kept in mind while building the framework. In this session, we are going to have a basic introduction on Protector. So guys, let's have a walkthrough of the topics that we are going to discuss in this session. So the first topic is what is Protector? The next is how does Protector work? Protector features and frameworks which are available in Protector. Let's jump on to the first topic, which is what is Protector? To understand the basic definition, Protector is an end-to-end framework for AngularJS application, which can be integrated with very powerful tools like Node.js, Selenium WebDriver JS, Jasmine, Mocha, and Cucumber. Let's understand what is an end-to-end flow with the help of an example. Let's say I am here talking about Amazon web application and we all might be aware about it. So I log into the application, I go to the home page, search an item, add that item to the cart and I log out of the application. Right, this is what is called as an end-to-end flow and is also called as a complete scenario, where from the login till the logout I am performing a complete flow. So Protector focuses on end-to-end flow creation. So guys, let's continue with the understanding of what is Protector and move on to the next point, which is Protector supports both Angular and non-Angular web applications. So let's understand what is an Angular and a non-Angular application. So guys, Angular is an application design framework and a development platform for creating efficient and sophisticated single-page apps. We won't dig deep into this as of now, and let's just understand the basic difference in Angular and non-Angular applications. So non-Angular application is a simple application that we all might have dealt with, right? Whereas an Angular application is an application where the DOM of the element or the element present in the DOM have a new attribute denoted by ng tag. So in the second screenshot, we can see that the attributes are having an ng tag. And this is how we get to know that this is an Angular application. So by now we have gone through the basic definition of Protector. Let's now also understand the architecture of Protector. So guys, Protector is a wrapper written on top of WebDriver.js, which means everything present in Selenium is also present in Protector. And along with this, we have additional support to Angular elements. Let's have a look at the architecture of Protector. If we look at this image, which also starts with the third topic, which is how does Protector work? So this image tells me that Protector is built over WebDriver.js and has everything which is present in Selenium, like Chrome driver, Gecko driver, and Safari driver. In addition to this, Protector also has a support to assertion frameworks like Jasmine, Mocha, and Cucumber, about which we would be talking in the upcoming slides. Guys, by now, I hope we have some basic understanding on what is Protector. So let's move on to the next part, which is Protector features. Guys, we might have already discussed about few of the features in the previous slides, but then let's just go through all of them for once. So Protector supports Angular specific locators. It supports both Angular and non-Angular application. Protector supports parallel execution, headless browser. It also supports reporting plugins, multiple assertion libraries, and also supports CI/CD, which is basically Jenkins. So guys, first and the second pointer is very specific to Protector, where it supports the Angular specific locators, and it also supports both Angular and non-Angular applications. Rest of the all pointers are which are common to both Selenium and Protector. Now let's have a look at the frameworks which are supported by Protector. We have Jasmine, Mocha, and we have a custom framework. So the default framework which is supported by Protector is Jasmine. but we would be focusing more on the custom framework as Cucumber falls under the custom framework. So our focus would be more on Cucumber followed in the subsequent sessions. That's all for this session, guys. I hope you liked the session. Please do share your feedback in the comment section. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel. We would soon be uploading more videos around this. Thank you so much, guys.